So you've got a different technique to show us.
I do. Similar techniques, but I like to use mine on the exterior. It's masonry-based, not paint-based.
Would you paint exterior brick?
I wouldn't do paint because paint will stay on the surface, will create a film, and will block any moisture trapped behind the brick trying to move out.
And that water's going to move out eventually, so you're going to blow off the paint.
Absolutely.
So what's your special mix?
So the mix that I use is a slurry mix, which is basically Portland cement, a lot of lime, and just water.
So you're making your own, huh?
Yeah.
Couple scoops of Portland and lime with a little bit of water is a lot cheaper than a gallon of paint, right, Mauro?
I guess so.
Right. All right, this looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to switch to my brush. And just go to the wall like this.
Yeah, it's almost like you're putting
That's
a
it.
stucco coat on.
It looks like, huh?
Yeah.
It's thick.
It's thick, but again, this is made to weather off. I'm now going to switch to my water bucket.
So that's similar to Mauro dabbing the paint off.
That's what I meant when I said there were similar techniques, but a different result. That's it right
You
there.
get that
Yeah, I can see it
variation right there.
There's the variation, yeah.
And because this is outside, not inside like Mauro's fireplace, this will continue to fade and wear?
That's right. So we don't care how sloppy we are when we're applying because the weathering over the next few years is what's going to really give us what we want.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.